If Discord is showing error 2012, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step, so you can get back into your server and voice channels as quickly as possible. This issue is often caused by network problems, app conflicts, corrupted cache files, or bad server routing, and the good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling Discord. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, check your network connection. A slow or unstable internet connection is one of the most common reasons Discord error 2012 appears. Start by making sure your Wi-Fi is working properly and that other apps or websites are loading normally. If your connection feels weak, restart your router and give it a minute or two to reconnect. This simple step can refresh your network and fix temporary routing issues. If you're using a VPN, try turning it off and then back on again, or disconnect it completely for a moment. Sometimes VPNs can interfere with Discord's connection path and cause this exact error. If your network is fine and the error is still there, the next step is to disable hardware acceleration in Discord. In some cases, outdated graphics drivers or conflicts with video processing can trigger connection or display issues inside the app. To do this, open Discord and click the User Settings gear icon near the bottom left. Then scroll down to the Advanced section. Look for hardware acceleration and toggle it off. Discord may ask you to restart the app, and you should definitely do that so the change takes effect. After restarting, test Discord again and see if the error is gone. This step is especially useful if the issue started after a system update or driver change. Now let's move on to clearing the Discord app cache. Over time, temporary files can build up and become corrupted, which can lead to errors, loading problems, or performance bottlenecks. Clearing the cache gives Discord a clean start without affecting your account. First, make sure Discord is completely closed. You can right-click it in the system tray and exit fully if needed. Then press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Type %appdata%\discord and press Enter. This will open Discord's local app folder. Inside that folder, delete the contents, but do not worry if you're unsure. This is just removing temporary data, not your account or your server messages. Once the files are deleted, reopen Discord and let it rebuild fresh cache data. This often resolves stubborn errors like 2012 very quickly. If you're still seeing the issue, the next thing to try is changing the server region for your voice channel. Voice channels can sometimes suffer from poor routing depending on where the server is hosted and where you are connecting from. If you're a server admin or have the correct permissions, open the voice channel settings and look for the region option. Then switch it to a location that is closer to you or more stable for your connection. After saving the change, rejoin the channel and test whether the error is fixed. This can make a huge difference when the problem is caused by bad voice routing rather than your device itself. So to quickly recap, if you're trying to fix Discord error 2012, start with your internet connection, then disable hardware acceleration, clear the app cache, and finally change the server region if you have access. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem and get Discord working normally again. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.